Hello people sitting on their couches and on their phones watching some footage. Today's a beautiful day. It is winter time. We're gonna go for a bit of a mish. Gonna shoot up the road that way. And we're gonna go for a little bit of an adventure. So this should be pretty fun. Yeah, it's middle of winter. Pretty cold day, but it's nice air. So we got this bag here to go. If you know this bag, I think you might know what we're up to. And we got this bag here for the camera support gear. But we'll get it all loaded up. We'll chuck it into the mighty Toyota van, and we'll shoot up the road. Stay tuned. This one should be pretty cool. It's a real cool place that I really enjoy going to after I've been working the long hours, and yeah, it's a good place to reset, forget about the world and just enjoy the moment. So come for mish. Well, and the big smoke banging on the motorway edge.
Continue on State Highway 1 for 33 kilometers.
Well, the van's made it to the beautiful G.O.A.T Island. Full marine reserve, but check out this cool painting. I really like that slug life. That's pretty cool. The mantas, the eagle rays, snappers. I don't even know what that fish is. If you know what it is, leave it in the comment. It's weird. What a cool mural, even the dolphins. But we'll get up and then we'll probably shoot out there and get in the water. It's a beautiful day. Winter's viz, it's always super clear, so I'm quite excited for this one. Well, we're all into it. Shoot out here for a bit of a scenic look. Screaming at the big cocks. They got some big feet. Nah, she's beautiful out there. Going for a bit of a dive. Hey mate, how you doing? A band of bloody roosters all over the parks around NZ. God love them, the winter here. But here we go, here's the marine reservages over here. Pretty choice, no grab, just have a spectate and let's go. Should see some of these. I don't know about those. Never really seen those before. But cool as. I'll chuck this in the dive case and we're gonna be out there doing it. Oh, hold up. We got some of the old fish species that we can see. See lots of those. Spotted parkety. Might see some of those being wintertime, and the goat fish. And what everybody loves to eat. But we'll do it. Let's get into it. Welcome to the beautiful underwater world of G.O.A.T Island, New Zealand. Here we have some parori that are feeding off the surface, I don't know why. There's some weird little jellyfish here that have kind of like little baboon bums on them. They've got little red bottoms. They're very different, I've never really seen them before. But here we're cruising through the beautiful kelp beds, checking out the schools of fish. It's just a cool, clear, beautiful place to be. When we're in the kelp beds, we may as well turn around, go check out under the rocks. We might see a few cool critters that live inside there for the winter times. And here we've found what we're looking for. It's a beautiful red rock lobster. We get two different sorts of rock lobsters in New Zealand, pack horse and reds. And here's a cheeky snapper saying g'day. But it's pretty cool to see some crustaceans under the rocks. Jumped in the water. Hopefully you can hear me through the dive lens, and yeah, it's pretty beautiful. The viz is 5 to 6 meters. Water's pretty warm, 17 degrees apparently, but nah, I'm having bloody real good fun. And that big snapper, he's probably about 14 to 16 pound, so that's a really big snapper. And those crays, they're a shallow for the winter time. They're probably going to start molting soon, get rid of their old summer coats. Kind of what I need to do is get rid of my old summer coat. Wetsuit's getting a little bit tighter, but nah, we'll get back in for some more. Real fun. Hopefully I've got boogers all over my face. But this is ocean therapy at its best. So hopefully you can hear this. I just found two of the biggest crays I've probably ever seen in my life. These are big boys. Let's go and check them out. God, that's the biggest cray I've ever seen in my life. I've seen some big ones, but oh, that's made my trip. That's so sick. G.O.A.T Island was New Zealand's first marine reserve, made in 1977. Over this time it's become an amazing place, and it was made because of overfishing around the area. So it has brought back so much walks of life, and it's just a cool place to check out. So go the marine reserves. Well, hopefully you liked my little swim through of G.O.A.T Island. It's a real cool place. If you want to go there, there's a car park. It's just a few hours drive from Auckland. It's an easy walk down a hill. So it's a great place that's family friendly for you and the family. So yeah, hopefully this gets you keen to go and check it out. Cheers. Well, that was a sick dive session. Bit of fun, frick. And close to Auckland, and I'm pretty much the only person here. Just me and the fish. It's pretty cool. But yeah, nah, that was some great ocean therapy. Much needed R&R. It's been a hard slog this year. But hopefully you enjoy that footage, because I really enjoyed making it. And if you do end up there, just remember the fish are wild. They will bite your fingers and they will attack you if you be an egg. So don't be an egg. Oh, that was a super cool dive. All changed. Nice and warm. It's not even that cold, being winter time. But how rad's that? G.O.A.T Island, man. It's a spectacular zone. Always grouse coming here.